Hello everyone, this is Rajkumar from Bickert Management. Today in this video I will show you how to get started with Zoho Analytics, upload your data, create 3 simple charts and build your fast dashboard. This video is perfect if you are a beginner looking to create, visualize data quickly and professionally. So let's jump in. To do that, we need to first import our data, and before, make sure you are logged in Zoho Analytics. I already logged in. Click on plus icon, click import data. Here you can see various type of data sources you can add. In this video I'm using flat files, the static files from Excel. Click on Excel, give a table name, monthly sales data. Click choose file, choose your file, click next. Here you can see this, the all columns are automatically mapped. If there is any error, it will show the error here, or you can also format the column by clicking the gear icon, rename name, deselect column. Also you can change the data types from here. For this data, it's already mapped or already created with their respective data types. Click on create. This data is imported successfully. Wow. Click on close. So we are imported data successfully, and let's create our first chart. To do that, click on the plus icon, choose new chart view. Let's create first sales by product. Choose the product category in x-axis and y-axis total sales. You can generate report. Sort the data by ascending. If you want, you can sort by data descending also. And to show the data labels in the bars, just drag this field in text. It will show the data labels. If you want to see the comma between 1000, you can format this. Just hover on the total sale column, click on format, click on choose the comma option here. The same way you can also format here, choose comma, and here is another here. You can also manage the decimal places. Now it's selected auto. If you don't want to show any decimal places in the data label, you can choose 0 or 1, 2. For this one I'm choosing the auto. And there is another way you can show the data labels. Remove this one, click on gear icon, click access, choose this one, and check this one, data label. It will work the same way as previous. Click on OK. If you want to add a user filter, you can also add monthly. Just click on pencil icon. By default this is date range selector. Click actual period, year 2 MTD, choose OK, save, click on view mode. If you want to check how it's working on by monthly, click on the June data, May. It's working. Let's create our another chart called monthly sales trend. The name. X-axis should be order date. Choose month and year. Total sales. It's auto-generated a slick line chart. You can also change the chart and the line chart, smooth line with marker, and let's show our data label here. Click on access, show the corresponding values, and change this axis called date. You can also change the border line style if you want, border layout. Also change the color if you want. This is for tooltip. If you want to change or format this one also, you can also change. Whatever date, total sale. That's it. Save this chart. And if you want to also add here the 1000 or comma for 1000, you can also go to the previous 1000 at comma, click OK, save. And created monthly sales trend. Now let's create our next chart, next matrix called sales by region. From the plus icon again, choose region and total sales. Oops. Click on pie chart. You can also format this pie chart. You can also use ring chart, semi-pie, semi-ring. I'm using pie chart. You can also add, if you want to show the data label here, there is a cool feature. Let's try this one. If you want to see the region, it will point the region with the colors. Now let's format the pie chart. If you want to show the value here as well as the percentage, you can check this one. Save. And if you want to change the color theme, you can also change. Let's choose prime. And in the legend here, you can see it's showing region with the total sales. I'm choosing this one. You can also choose with value and without value, as we are already adding here the values with percentage. We can safely remove from here. And let's format the 1000. I used comma. Just should work. To here. Give a chart name called sales by region. And if you want to add a filter, you can also add order date, actual, entity. Save this chart. and we are successfully created our 3 charts. Verify it's working. And now let's create the first dashboard. You can create dashboard by clicking this one, this plus icon, create dashboard. Also from this one, click on new dashboard and just drag our newly created matrices sales by product. Let's search sales by product, sales by region that we already created. Also created monthly sales. You can customize dashboard if you need. Give a dashboard name called sales overview dashboard. Save. Okay. And if you want to change the theme of the dashboard, just click on themes. You can change the solid color, gradient. Also you can add image. You can also add your custom image by clicking the plus icon. Your library, if you already added it, will show here by URL from the local drive. Let's choose gradient and this color. Click on save, and here is our dashboard. Let's check it's working with the order date or not. June. This 2 chart is working, and this chart is also working technically, but for monthly sales trend we need to say the overall month. For that we need to remove the date filter from this chart. It's auto mapped already when you drag the matrices. Click on customize, just check out. And now let's save. View mode. Now it should work. Now this is the filter is working on only these 2 charts, not this one. You can share this dashboard. You can share this publicly. Share this view by your organization email addresses. This will send an email notification and then we can access. Also you can share the URL permalink. Click one, copy and share with your team members. If they open, it will show like this. Here it is. And that's it. Today you learned how to import your data, create few useful charts, and build your first dashboard. If this video helped you, give a like and don't forget to subscribe for more practical Zoho and data tutorials. Comment below if you have any question or topics you'd like me to cover next.